see me.
Here we are, the beauty of Utah, battling snow, covered mountains all night long, but pretty much beautiful weather. Got Joe Camel holding my horn button tight, keep it from rattling, and just cruising right along. Got to Utah about 7 a.m. We're just past Salt Lake City now, heading to New Mexico. Yeehaw! Good morning. We're here in New Mexico, about 200 miles or so from Amarillo, home of the Cadillac Ranch. So far, so good.
Can't believe that I went this whole way just cruising hard with such beautiful weather, being that it's February. Just amazing. Not one raindrop whole trip. So here's some photos throughout Texas from my journey. Just cruising around, seeing the Alamo, some locks and stuff in San Antonio by the Riverwalk, Cadillac Ranch, some crazy vatos hauling 3 cars with a Camaro, some hidden special ops Mercedes at the Cadillac Ranch. Big Texan, good food, and Gas Monkey Garage, of course.
So we made it here to Texas, to my new hometown in Canyon Lake. And the only problems I had in the whole 2,100 miles is my speedometer started squeaking a little bit, which I hope it doesn't do what it did before, which is I already replaced the gauge once. The needle just started squeaking and then it exploded. The whole needle like broke into 3 pieces. Otherwise, my headlight switch, I arrived just at sunset and it was quit working. Only the parking lights would work. And I used to have a radio. I was jamming to tunes, but now I don't. And what happened is, I was just cruising along, minding my own business, and the radio decided to just start smoking and catch on fire. Not sure what the deal was there, but yeah, I was in panic mode. It was like maybe 8 or 9 a.m. Just got on the road for the morning when I was leaving Salt Lake City, Utah. And I turned on the radio, was glad to finally get some reception in a bigger town there. And it just started smoking. It's like, oh God, just flashing through my mind, like what's gonna happen? Is my whole wiring harness gonna melt down and just leave me stranded here 1,000 miles from my destination? So I just ripped that radio out as fast as I could and pulled over, tossed it in a garbage can. I can't believe that it didn't even smoke any of the wiring, nothing. It was literally the Chinese radio. I bought one of those aux input, output, AM, FM radios. And get on her here, yeah! But yeah, let that be a lesson to you. Don't buy a $15 or $20 Chinese radio. It might destroy your whole car. But otherwise, it was an excellent trip. I'm so proud of this car I built, and it's still going strong and hauling balls, doing its job. And I'll just take you here and show you the lake down where I'm living here, and try to park the car there. It's a Friday, so not sure if the boat launch is going to be too busy or not, but I just took a quick trip to the hardware store, get a couple things I'm working on the house, and can't beat this beautiful weather. It's December 13th, and it's going to be 77 degrees today. Beautiful blue skies. Loving it. The hot rods are loving it too. And here we are, about 2 minutes from my house. I just live right up the hill, across the main road, and we have some boaters. There's a lake out there. It's a beauty. Can't see it too good through the trees here, but believe me, we got some beautiful access just ahead. Would you look at that? It's gorgeous. The sunset's right there, and it is quite nice. The colors you get out here in this clear water is just amazing. I'm gonna try and get a picture here and whatnot. Oh. Yeah, there you have it. Thanks for coming on the journey with me. We made it, boys. Here's a nice quiet look here, and in the more of the early springtime, this dock here gets full. Water's all the way up to this step here. That was how it was the first time I came out, but yeah, it's just beautiful. This spot reminds me of like Greece or something like that. Really nice. Really beautiful. Wish I could come out here, show you the sunset. But anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. Have a great day and be blessed. Peace.